Hey bro, this is your reminder to appreciate nature. Like, you gotta get outside sometimes. Just like, take a look around. Just appreciate where we used to be 1,000 years ago. Just take a couple minutes to go outside, get some actual sun, just look around. You need to stop sitting inside all day. Just go outside for a bit and see how much better you feel. How much better you feel about yourself, just in general. We need outside. It's where we grew up. We were outside all as a kid. And then when you don't be outside, you stick in your room and play video games all day. Which is a lot to your head. Just go outside for 30 minutes to like 4 hours. Just appreciate everything around you.